Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. When we are talking about insurance, let us talk about today about what is CBA, what is P&I Club. But before that, I want to tell you the company that you are selling in. मतलब आपने अपना टर्म इंश्योरेंस नहीं लिया, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस लिया, you have not taken a medical insurance, but even the company has taken insurance. So this ship that you are looking at, say it is by with the ship owner से मेहता एंड मेहता कंपनी, मैंने इस जहाज का इंश्योरेंस ले रखा है for its cargo. If any piracy attack happens, if any seafarer dies, I have to pay money, right? Any Marpol accident, say if oil flows down and the country of that region charges me millions of dollars, I have taken insurance for that. Accident of that ship happens, whole hull breaches, who will take care of that part? This is also taken care by insurance. So guys, as a shipping company, I have not one but say 10 ships. मैंने बोला आई एम अ शिपिंग कंपनी से मेहता शिपिंग कंपनी. मैंने बोला भैया फॉर ऑल दीज 10 ships लेट मी टेक इंश्योरेंस. I have myself been a financial disaster as a mariner. To be very honest, my financial journey is just 6 months old. So whatever I say in this video, take it with a pinch of salt. The idea is to create that interest or fear so that you start learning. If you really are interested in learning as a seafarer, because nobody is there to guide us, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in description box where honest, trustworthy people hopefully will be guiding you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Ki if any bad thing happens in terms of some seafarer dies, some pirates attack happen, my accident happens to the ship, anybody dies or some explosion happens or some marine pollution happens due to which I have to pay a lot of fines to the country, I am giving premium to a insurance company and they are taking care of my needs. And that insurance company out here is called P&I Club. Yeah. And I say there are a lot of P&I clubs out here in the world, generally located in London. एंड आपने बोला कि आई चूज दिस, जैसे कि कोई बोलेगा इन टर्म आई वांट टू चूज HDFC, somebody will say LIC. उसी तरह देयर आर लॉट ऑफ P&I clubs also. Okay, so you choose a P&I club as per your needs and desire. Now this is about your insurance, not about shipping companies, so I'm not going to get into detail. So shipping company has an insurance with the P&I club to take care of these things. Now what does seafarer do? Seafarer wants to earn money but does not give a damn about his insurance. That is the biggest stupidity, I would say. But now what? When a seafarer joins a ship, there is a contract that he is signing with the shipping company, right? Along with that, every ship, so there is a contract happening, plus they are signing a article of agreement on board ship. It is. आप शिप पे जाओगे, in the first day itself or the second day the captain will call you and there will be an article of agreement signed by you on board ship. So this contract says itni salary and all these things will be taken care by. Now this contract is not very long. They tell you how much will be your salary, basic allowance kitna hoga, this and that. Along with that इसमें लिखा रहेगा कि things will be taken care as per the CBA. What is CBA? CBA is called collective bargaining agreement. Now this collective bargaining agreement shipping corporation shipping company has signed with, say अगर इंडिया में है, they have done this CBA with India out here, so they will say with for merchant navy officers and engineers MUI के साथ Maritime Union of India, this is a union, because this union takes care of the seafarers officers, right? And other is NUSI. This is for the ratings, again union for the ratings. And ये ratings की जो union है, they take care of the rights of the ratings. So what happens? Shipping company say, भैया I am taking Indian officers, I am taking Indian rating. Okay, I am doing agreement with you. You are the union part. आप डिसाइड करो कि मिनिमम सैलरी कितनी होनी चाहिए. What are the rights that I am to take care? How much will I have to pay him if this person dies? How much will I have to pay him if his hands get cut? How much will I have to pay him? अच्छा कितनी छुट्टियां देनी है? Overtime कितना देना? All these things are there in the CBA, guys. So now you have signed a contract which is bound by the CBA. And to tell you honestly, bhai, we do not read our collective bargaining agreement. Matlab, I am very embarrassed to say that in the 14 years of my sailing, I never read my CBA as well. But I promise you in the coming times मैं CBA के ऊपर भी बहुत सारे वीडियोस बनाऊंगा, because information is very important. I have realized that people do not do that. That is my job. So MUI के साथ agreement कर लिया. So now what happens is, guys, अगर हम आगे बढ़े, so now what happens is, guys, so So now what happens is, guys, so now there, as a seafarer, my rights are controlled by the CBA, collective bargaining agreement. So in the next video we are going to talk about MUI and NUSI in detail कि इन्होंने आपके क्या rights बनाए हैं, that you have to know. But who is paying the money if something has to pay to you? P&I Club. Insurance किसने कराया? Shipping company. I hope you have understood that. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.